Hey everybody, I am in Hypixel lobby lobby TNT games, and we're obviously playing TNT games, and yeah. So okay, let's join. Let's see. Oh my gosh, yes, I got in. I was very lucky. Now it's gonna start really soon, cause 24 people joined. 24. Just waiting. Wow. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay. I'm gonna spread out somewhere. That guy's weird. It's Hayden. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. I need a bow. Woo. Oh my gosh, so laggy. Oh, I just did a double jump. Wasn't meant to do that. Oh no, I fell. Okay. That was very laggy, but it was a fun game. It wasn't, I didn't really survive for much. But, okay. I'll be back when I'm in another game. Hi, we're back. And there's 24 out of 24, so we're gonna start soon. It's 9, 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, you can't break TNT blocks. Wish you could before the game. Then you could get people out and you could win before the game even started. So, yeah. Okay, here it is. I did double jump. Oh, no. People are trying to kill me. Oh, I got a very laggy game again. So these aren't very good games. We'll try another one when I'm back. Okay, I am back. This might be the last game. So yeah. That's sad. And I don't think am I on Burst Belief? Yeah, I probably am. Oh no, maybe not. But that looks like a pretty good lobby. Okay, let's go. Okay. So, be really silly if someone went down there. Really silly indeed. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Get the bow and then spleef. Just spleef the bow. Bow spleef. That's why it's called bow spleef. Because you split the bow into someone's. Oh no! Oh whoa. Okay. Everything's exploding right in my face, so yeah. It's not very good. It's not very good. It's not very good at all. Okay. It's very laggy indeed, I have to say. Okay, it's not very laggy anymore. Oh. Okay. I was the 11th. I mean, the 11th to die. Okay, we'll have one more game when I'm back. Hey guys, we are back in a game. 23:30. Okay, it's good. Pretty good. Anyways, let's just. I say it anyways a lot, but I'm addicted to that word. 30 of 30. Okay, we should be joining soon. Okay, 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What the? Oh yeah, I forgot. You have to kill people. I forgot how to play this game. TNT run. There's people. Oh, that guy's got the TNT. Oh, now I've got the TNT. Okay, I'm trying to get up to this guy. Yeah, I got him. He has the TNT now. No, you come back. I'll give you the TNT. Gonna try to give him the TNT. Oh, what if you gave the TNT? That'd be really bad. Oh, I blew up. Okay. So, yeah, that was my last game. So, bye everybody. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.